Hey, welcome back to the channel, y'all. I'm gonna do some onion planting today. Start getting some onions in some dirt. I ordered me some onions plants, some 1015s from Dixondale Farms here out of Texas, and I'll show y'all what come in the mail. So y'all come on, I'll show you what I got. All right, I found out this company out of Texas here, Dixondale Farms. They grow and sell the 1015 onions, which I really like. So I ordered me a bunch of those, but the quantity in the sets are so big, I ordered a mixed bunch. It's 1015s, a red onion, and another yellow onion. It comes in this box like this. I ordered it, and it arrived in about 3 days. You can put a ship date when you want them to show up. All right, the box came with the packing list, and what I ordered was, I didn't want 50 to 75 1015s because I just don't have the room for that many, or I didn't want that many of one variety, but they do sell a short day sampler pack. It's 50 to 75 onions, mixture of 1015 Y Super Sweets, Texas Early Whites, and a Red Creole. The Texas Early Whites, I think, is a longer storing onion. That's why I went ahead and picked this bunch. But this way I have me a little variety. But that's that. They send you a little grow package. Little onion planting guide. Has some real good information in here. But nice little pamphlet to go with your onions. Anyway, they come bunched up with a rubber band, and you're supposed to take them out of the box as soon as you get them and spread them out. My only complaint is there was no, they weren't banded separately. So obviously I can tell that these are probably red onions, but the other 1015 and the early whites, I'm not real sure. These are definitely a different color than this bunch. If you can see here, they're a little more yellow and white, so I guess I'll just have to figure that out. Anyway, so we're gonna plant some of these in some of these little tubs and see what I can do. All right, I got my onions all separated where I think, I believe these are the 1015s and these are the whites. And I just did a quick count just for the heck of it. I got 42 1015s, 24 early whites, and 30 of the Red Creole. And I believe what they say, 50 to 75 plants, and that would be 96 plants. So that's a pretty good deal. Let's get some of these in the dirt. Soil, excuse me. All right, I got me a little pencil here. I marked a 1 inch, going by their instructions. It says do a 1 inch hole and no more. And if you want to grow them to full term, full size onions, they recommend 4 inches apart. And if you want to thin them and eat smaller onions, green onions as you go, to go 2 inches apart. So we'll probably do a little mix of both. All right, here's what I come up with. Like I said, I've never tried doing this before in, in these little buckets. We're gonna give it a whirl, see what happens. That way I can go ahead and use some small and thin them out. These ones I planted really 2 inches apart like they suggested, and have some small onions when we need them. But I'll show you what else I got going on. While we're in the garage, got me some broccoli plants. They sprouted up, and some turnips they've sprouted. I was experimenting with some lettuce over here. And I got some jalapeno plants early started, and some kale and some bunching onions. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, that's what's going on right now in the garden. I got some other things outside. The weather's not good today, so I'll show y'all later. But that's what we got right now. Well, that's all I got for you today. Just a quick update of what's going on. I'm gonna start doing a lot more gardening videos, 'cause that's all I got to do here lately. So we're gonna get an early start, see what we can do in a city backyard with pots and plants and containers, because that's just how it's got to be right now. But anyway, till next time, we'll see y'all down the road.